Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I created these cute this is necklace and bracelet sets. You guys, these things are super cute, super easy to make, very inexpensive. Look at that. I just love the beads. Now the beads that are in between there, the little beads that I used, look at that, came from sets like these that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You guys, look at these though. Like, super cute. Like I said, it's very stretchy because it's foam, it's lightweight, it's inexpensive. And then this is the set that I actually make on camera. I used two different sizes in this one, and I did a matching bracelet as well. And you do not have to just do squares. You are not stuck. You do not have to do the whole thing. You can use a chain. This is what it looks like if you get, you know, a little more fancier in the chain. And these are circles instead of the you know, the squares. But look at that. You guys, get creative with this craft. And yeah, let's go ahead and get up into actually making these sets right now. Alright, so to get started, what you're going to need for this craft is you're going to need a pair of scissors, a hole punch, like a needle hole punch, like a small one, some stretch cord, or fishing, you know, like fishing line. It doesn't have to be stretched, that's perfectly fine. Some strips of foam in the color that, you know, you would like to do your necklace. And I've done like two different sizes. I did some smaller ones and some bigger ones, and some beads that you would like to use. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go ahead and grab each strip of foam, and I'm just going to go ahead and start punching in holes all the way. I'm going to space them, be sure to space them. I'm going to space them a little bit, about ½ an inch apart, and I'm just going to go all the way down the strip just like this. Now for the bigger ones, the space on them is going to be a little bit you know, a little bit wider. So it's gonna, you're gonna get a lot less compared to this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing this for all of them, and then I'll be back. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to do is pick each one up, and as you can see, the holes that's in it, and all you're going to do is cut like in the middle from one hole to the next. Just cut right down the middle, wherever the middle line is, you're just going to cut. And that's pretty much it. And you're going to do that for each strip that you have, and then yeah, I'm about to do that, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have all of my pieces cut out, I'm going to go ahead and take my stretch cord, and what you want to do is just go ahead and cut it down to the size that you would like it to be. Alright, so now that I have my cord, the only thing that's left to do now is to just thread your foam, I'm gonna say beads, your little foam beads, as well as whatever beads, decorative beads you done found that you want to add on, and just go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so I have completed my necklace. Look at that. I think it is super cute. And I also made a matching bracelet as well. And you guys can get creative with this. I have made many sets. Like, these things are super cute, easy to make. Look at that. And you do not have to just stick to guys, look at that. And then like the beads in between here also just add to it and make it look so cute. And you do not have to do just squares. If you want to use circles, these are like little circles that I did the same way as the squares. You can do circles as well. You guys get creative with this. I mean, this is super cute, super easy, and because it's foam, it's very lightweight, it's inexpensive, it comes in vibrant colors. You guys, this would be great to add to your shop and put up for sale, make some extra money. So if you have any questions at all, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.